Our top story this hour: in Sri Lanka, protesters stormed the presidential official residence in Colombo as the country's economic crisis deepens. The whereabouts of President Rajapaksa are unknown. Let's bring you some new pictures which have just been filed. They show the protesters inside the official residence. Police fired tear gas in an effort to disperse huge crowds gathered to demand the resignation of President Rajapaksa. These scenes are, well, it's too tempting, isn't it, really? You go inside the home of somebody who's so wealthy, a political and symbolic figure. You're not going to resist the temptation to jump in and revel in what you are currently enjoying, but it's a symbol, if you like, of the gap between the wealthiest in Sri Lanka and, at the moment, everybody else. Because of
Terima kasih Bang Wayat. Urung paling duha bagi anda mesti.
Bought a lot of things like food. Well, earlier our South Asia editor Ambarasan Etharajan gave us an update and tried to explain some of the background to this development.